This 2026 KZ Connect SE211MK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 26 feet 1 inch in length and features oven, LP detector, microwave, refrigerator, slide-out, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, TV, air conditioning, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-living area, rear bath, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 KZ Connect SE211MK is 5,170 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.